The light bends away from the normal. The angle of incidence I is smaller than the angle of refraction. What happening here? Angle of incidence is smaller. Angle of refraction is greater because of this ray travels denser to rarer. That's why this refracted ray away from the normal. This refraction angle is more compared to the incident angle. Understand this one? Second case understand children? Here what say comparing to the angle I greater than to the refracted angle because of the ray starts denser medium to rarer medium. Denser to rarer, any ray travels denser to rarer away from the normal. Where is normal children? This is only normal. Okay. So now that's why here angle is greater. Refracted angle is greater than comparing to the I. This is I with the incident angle. This is the refracted angle. Here this is reflected ray. Already we know that this is refracted ray. Let's see children. Right. What is observation second and third image? What is observation children? Both are the same? No. What is observation here? See once angle changes, incident angle changes, refracted angle also changes. Yes? Incident angle changes, refracted angle also changes. Continuously second image and first image you can observe children. Refracted ray away from the normal slowly. First two cases and this is the third cases. Here once you see completely bent. Okay, this is the third image. You can observe the fourth image. Right. What is observation finally? Finally, what is observation children? One particular incident angle. The incident ray touches here one particular angle. The refracted ray traces the boundary. These angle is, you can observe children, this is what children? This is separated the boundary between denser and rarer. So here this refracted ray traces the boundary. Here how much angle here? 90 degrees. Okay, this line. So here ray travels along the boundary. Here angle is 90 degrees. Here the incident one particular angle, refracted ray traces the boundary. Traces is nothing but touch the boundary or along the boundary. See, this angle is called as a critical angle. This incident angle is called as a critical angle of incidence. Okay, so this is called as a angle of incidence. Critical angle. This angle is called as a critical angle. This is incident angle. Okay, understood clearly? Here once you see children, one particular angle, refracted ray traces the boundary. This angle is called as a critical angle. Right. Come to that. Next, suppose children, this angle is called as a IC, critical angle. So because this refracted ray traces the boundary. Suppose incident angle greater than the critical angle. What happening children? Understood clearly my question? Suppose this angle is critical angle. So this time refracted ray traces the boundary. Suppose this angle is greater than the critical angle. What happens? Refracted ray. What will happen? What happens children? Angle increases, completely bent towards the boundary. All the rays you can observe first and second and third cases. And the fourth case is one particular angle. Refracted ray traces the boundary. Yes or no? After the incident angle is greater than the critical angle. More than critical angle. What happened? Refracted ray. Down only? Right, very good. Here, the next greater than, here once see children, the critical angle IC and I greater than the IC. This time what happening children? This ray comes towards the denser medium. Understood clearly? First case, second case, third case. More than critical angle. More than critical angle. The refracted ray comes the same media. Comes the same media. Here, one observe children. This is incident ray. This ray comes. Total ray comes same media. So this reflection is called as a total internal reflection. Okay. In the first case, some ray refracted, some ray reflected. Second image also same. Some rays refracted, some rays reflected. But third and fourth one, these rays, what happened? Rays is the boundary. Rays is the boundary. So here, these angles, rays is the boundary. This angle is the more than critical angle. Now ray comes same media. This is called as a total internal reflection. So understand clearly? Understand children? I will stop our video.